Everyone, so today we are going to demonstrate how to make a MCQ quiz on Microsoft Teams. For that you need to open up any browser in your laptop and then go to the Microsoft Forms like this. Yes, so here is the link, formsoffice.com, right? So if you have not logged in before, I have logged in with my ID already, with the Microsoft ID, whatever you have accessed. So you have to log in here previously. As I have already logged in, that's why it's showing my name. So you have to visit this page, forms.office.com. Now we have here two options, as you can see, new form and new quiz. So first, because we want a quiz, because we want the assessment of the student, so we have to click on new quiz. So after clicking on new quiz, it will open up like this, right? So you can see here untitled quiz. So you will title this quiz, suppose it is a midterm test, so it will be mid-term test 2020 October, whatever you want to rename it. Then come to add new. You can give the description also, like attempt all the questions, 1 mark each question, you have 1 hour to attempt it, whatever instructions you want to give to the student. Now on adding to question, we have few options like choice. So this will be for the MCQs. Text will be for a question where a student can type a long type answer here only. So basically these two we generally use. One more is there, linked. So linked is sort of like matching, okay? Like if you want to have match the following type of questions, then you can use linked. So basically teachers use either MCQ or text. So let's see MCQ. So here you will write the name, which date is today, right? So this is your question. Now there are few options. So option 1, 1st October, option 2, 2nd October, then add options. Option 3, 31st September, although it does not exist, but still okay. So if you want the number of multiple choice you want to give, you can write here clearly. So now check here, just hold on, wait for a second. Okay, yeah, so I don't know what is the issue, my screen is flickering, but originally it is fine. So okay, so the last MCQ, if you want, suppose it is 30th September. So now you want to assess it, you have to write here points. Suppose it is for 1 point, and which of the following is the correct answer. So since today is 2nd October, so this is the correct answer, you have to click it. So you make it required, right, and add new question. So again add multiple choice, type the same and add further. So you can make it like this, right? So after completion, your form will be completed. Add number of the question you want according to your requirement. After that, do one thing, go to the 3 dots over here and go to the settings. After going to settings, go to shuffle questions. So questions will be shuffled for each and every student. This should be there. Okay, now come to this part, click here. Now come to the forms. So here you can see midterm. Okay, yes, this is the MCQ that has been formed, right? Now how to assign this to the students, that we will learn. So now you open up your Teams, right? open up your channel. Suppose here I went to my Teams and then I search for my class where I wanted it to. Suppose I took it MSc Chemistry General. Okay. So I came here. So I will come to the assignments. Yes. Now create. So these are the previously assigned assignments that I have assigned. So we have to create here. Now 3 options are there: assignment, quiz, from existing. So go to quiz. Now here you will get all the MCQs or the tests that you have created in the Microsoft Forms. So it will take some time to load. So from here, when it will come, we will just select the assignment that we want to assign to the students in the future time or at the current time. So let's wait for some time. Yes, so it's here. So this is the one that I have created currently. So click on this and then do next. Yes. So now the settings related to your assignment will so settings related to your assignment will come. So there are few settings that we need to change. If you want to, first thing is where do you want to assign. So the last thing is post assignment. So you can, it is submitted in general. Do it in your channel, whichever channel you want to create. Suppose I teach analytical chemistry, I want to do it in this one, and then done. Right. After that, go to this option, edit. So what will this option do? This option will help you to assign your assignment in the future. So click on this, schedule to assign in the future. Now click the date. Suppose today you created it, but you want to be activated on 5th. So you click on 5th. At what time you want to post? You want to post it at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. right? Due date. So due date should be always more than your schedule post date. So it will be 5th, and the close timing will be, suppose it is for 1 hour, 11 a.m. right? So here will be the closing date. So you can give like 5 minutes extra to the student, 5 or 10 minutes extra to your student, depending upon your feasibility. So you can make it here, this thing. Okay, then you can make it done. So when you do it, it will schedule at this particular time only. Okay, so this is a very simple way how to schedule, how to make first a MCQ, and then how to schedule it for the future, in the future coming time for your scheduled class. Thank you so much.